We came here to do two main things. One, we wanted to celebrate together. And secondly, we wanted to apprise each other. Where are we in terms of our preparedness? And then establish the technical structures which can now offer leadership moving forward. We are in touch constantly across the three capitals. I communicate with my colleagues in Kampala and Dar es Salaam on a weekly basis. I am aware of the preparation level in each of these capitals, and I can give a guarantee here that we are very much on track. I have had questions here about the infrastructure preparedness in Kenya, and I can tell you, certainly, undoubtedly,
wanauthamini kama dhahabu. Si kutamani, ni kuthamini kama dhahabu. Hilo nimeshika vizuri. Sasa pia sisi hapa katika pamoja bid sasa tutaithamini kama dhahabu. Sasa kuanzia leo sasa hiyo ndio lugha. Hata mimi
tunahakikisha kwamba procurement processes zinakuwa shortened.
We are prepared for Afcon 2027. Talanta Sports City. That is going to be the centerpiece of Kenya's contribution to the joint hosting of this tournament. And you can be sure you can take this to the bank. It will earn you handsome interest. The Talanta Sports City will be ready within 2 years. By the time the CAF team comes for final inspection at the end of 2025, we'll actually be ready for official opening for a sparkling new Talanta Sports City. We are prepared for Afcon 2027. Talanta Sports City. That is going to be the centerpiece of Kenya's contribution to the joint hosting of this tournament. And you can be sure you can take this to the bank. It will earn you handsome interest. The Talanta Sports City will be ready within 2 years.
Na